Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Am I audible? Hello, hello, hello. Let us try this. If it doesn't work, then well, let's see what we'll do. What we can do. So let's go. Let's start today. It is the good downside pattern. Taken the resistance on top. Looking good. But if we talk about gold, don't know it. So yeah, give a good direction. Give a good trend. At 8 in the morning. Then works north sideways. So just taken the support. 160, 50. We can try. 50. Actually, it's a good, asset. You can go for it. RRSU will be not on new low but a previous low. See almost 1 to 3 R2R. Taking resistance from 9 EM in 1 minute time frame. and this red candle is a sign of, you know, good uh, fall down, but it didn't continue at this point. The selling is coming. This 9 EMA is giving resistance. Well, let's see 5 minute time frame. Well, let's say and gold, it will or something or not. It fall down, accumulated, and then give a little bit of a move. One thing I also until I can trade in crude. Actually, let us make another tab of crude. I've seen that I can get targets in crude. It's a good instrument. I'm not a good brother. Well, we can trade in gold too for downward, but we'll wait. We'll wait. Trading view. Bitcoin use on Bitcoin trade is going well. The blue candle in Gulf. Damn man, that was fast. I took the trade because this blue candle engulfed the red one. After engulfing, I think what my analysis says there is less possibility of going against that trend. So that's why I bought it here. Mm, Set the target to target it at or below the 20 EMA at 15 minute time frame because it may take a resistance from that point of time. Na? So just to be safe, Bitcoin showing good sign of downtrend, but up is as good as going down there. Nobody knows it. It may not. Although I do not trust gold this time because I don't know what it's in mind. Mm, That's why I was not invested in this trade. After this big blue candle, after this big buying candle, we can go for good trade, good buying trade. Mm-hmm. No, I should have bought it here. Let's add one more point to my whenever you lose the opportunity for trade, don't FOMO. Let it go. Now if it does cross or it loses inside that, then I have to cut that page. I would have bought it from here. I got into FOMO and took the bad trade. That's not high. That's not how I should be trading. That was clearly bad decision. The moment it fell down, I exit. I closed the trade instantly. Man, the buying came in years old. What to say? But I don't think it will last. Maybe it can, but it's a good opportunity to buy from here. But I'm not confident. If I'm not confident, then I won't take any trade. That's how Roman follow. The selling in usually came too fast, man. It is not allowing me to. Hello, hello, everyone. In oil, I don't see anything. You know, in cold, what I think is it's going upwards, but I do not have close SL. My SL is very far that I can afford below 400, 500. It doesn't make any sense to have such high SL. Then my profit, my target would be nah, too much risk for the reward. For the less reward, I'm not going there. What I'll do, I'll hold. I'll just hold. Yesterday I told ya that it will be good if we, short the position right now in the Bitcoin because the trend vanished. Now there will be volatility. The volatility, now this is volatility, what we'll call. Okay. Now, but where will it go? It will go in sideways momentum for next few days, and this is the best time where we can sort the options. It should go, down this time. If it doesn't, then we'll exit from the trade. We have to, we'll just wait easy. That's why I didn't take that trade earlier because I know the SL isn't in on my the SL as a the SL wasn't on my condition. It was not fulfilling my condition. The SL was very large, but the target was not that much. So instead of going, just in sake of taking a trade and buying or selling anything without doing good analysis, it's just a gamble. And that's what I need to do. I don't need to do is gamble. I'll not allow myself to do gamble. I'll just take easy trades, no pressure, easy, with good risk to reward ratios. Not think that much of that. Unless I have to take the trade. We'll see if we see any opportunity in ESL. The gold is just falling here and there. But I think that it should be going downward, but the MACD suggests the blue line has crossed the crossed the red line. This tells us the mm, weak bearish pressure, good bullish pressure, the trend has changed to bullish. But what it has done is it has restricted itself to within a range, within a boundary. We can say it's now making upper highs are lower lows and low high. Yes. But it failed to make a new lower low. That was the earlier lower low. It went up lower high, but when it came down, it failed to make a new lower low. That's where I think it you know changed its pattern. And if we see the 4 hour time frame, the MACD, the blue line has crossed the yellow, orange, whatever, red line. So what I am saying here is I'll go for long position instead of a short. And about my Bitcoin trade, it took my SL. No worries. These are my 3 trades of the day. Hmm. First was in positive in US oil, another two in gold and Bitcoin. Both were red. But no worries. Hmm. Just wait for the right opportunity to get another trade. Not just go into anything. The MACD is showing that for a bullish reversal, but the chart I'm seeing is it doing any good? Just hovering sideways. It just took my SL in Bitcoin. That's why having a small SLs isn't a good idea. Or what I shall say. Rather, we can try another strategy where we trade with low quantity. No? Trade with low quantity with higher points of SL and higher points of targets rather than just increasing our quantity and having small SLs. For Bitcoin or gold moving a little bit, it doesn't matter at all. Moving 400 points, 200 points up and down, it doesn't even matter. It's just one order away from giving these such moves. Gold is sideways and not volatile. In volatility, there is volume, but in gold, I don't think there is anything. Just simply sideways. Ha. Is this a double bottom pattern? If it is, although it is not, but if it is, then we can expect thousand, but it has already given us. Uh, we can expect to hear. This is the period where we have to, you know, control ourselves to take any trades so we don't lose any money just gambling. So it's okay to not trade. If I don't find any trade, then I'll just sit and analyze. If I get any, then I can. I'll get. I'll try. Tech life. Hello, hello, hello. What's up? Yes, I'll come in. Maybe it was just an what we say profit booking happened in the side. No, it was not exactly profit booking. Goal is just, in this candle, not making any new high or lows, just staying there and uh, taking essence, a small trader like us who have not that patient, who have not patience to just wait for any new trade. This gave me, this took my SL. Where it took my SL. It was here. Can't do anything, man. It was not that too close. Actually, it was for us, for our, for us like retail traders, it is not the closest. It's 300, 300 fucking points. You know, but for Bitcoin itself, making 300, 400 move isn't a big deal. What we have to learn is we have to capture these points. I should have taken that, not trade here. Support of 9 EMA 15-minute time frame. Let's see what hap- what would have happened if I take the trade. So yeah, do the trade here and nah, 200 300 rupees not worth it. For 300 rupees, I'm not taking this as well. Yes, what now observed is the blue MACD has crossed the yellow one. Haha, now it's changing its trend, changing its way. But in 1 hour time frame, it's still there. The yellow one is above blue MACD, and both are below the zero and below the pivot. That shows that shows and it signals the bearish pattern. And then for our, it's then it's two below. Well, let's check in 1 day too if we find something. The support, resistance, anything. This buying opportunity here I wrote here. No, after 2 days, 3 days it went upwards. That's a lots of time to wait. You just cannot take a trade and wait for these long period of time. It's not that easy. Here both blue and yellow line are fighting with each other to get on top, but we'll see what price action decides and who gets on top. It's just going sideways. I won't take trade in gold. Absolutely not. In your soil. Not seeing any trade. Not really good. I've sold it here, but it took my sell and went backward, went back down. Used to tease me, hey, I'm back once more, sell me once more, but what? I'll not. I'll wait. I'll wait for the right opportunity to go for my trades. I will not take anything except to trade first season. If not, I'll go with 1671 for basics I have. No, nothing, nothing to worry about. But what I want to be careful is that not to take the trades, take unnecessary trades. Something wrong. Yes, yes, while making good moves. Bitcoin, yeah, okay. It's good that it took me. And about gold, no, it will take support from here. Yeah, if it takes support from here, then I think I have a good opportunity of buying here. I think I have an opportunity of buying here. If it takes support something, support. Oh, at least, haha, to this point. No, this is a risky trade, but can I bet 300 rupees on it? Should I do it or not? Or should I wait? Not saying it's sideways movement. I think it'll try to, you know, go back, but it's holding up. 250, 300. I did I enter the trade? I'm waiting here. Did I? Did I not? Did I? Did I not? 300 rupees now. I would have. That would have shown me on the screen. But let's wait. Let's wait. No, I didn't. That was a good thing to do. That I did. Not go into the trap, not to fall prey for the trap. This trade is set for me. I'm not taking a trade, any trade. Actually, I can. Let's see. But oh, we'll check it out later. Bang, double bottom pattern. Hoo, 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 hoo. I'm trading a pull down here. First of all, I have to manage my asset. Set the asset for the trade. Asset is always important. Without SL, I'm not going. I ain't going anywhere. Hmm. Saying this, what I think it's going, you know, destined its sideways movement. I think. I took the trade. Uh, mm, is that a trade I took in desperation? It engulfed the previous red candle. For that, it has to touch my asset. I'm not. I ain't pulling my asset. Now it will it take support from 20 EMA of 1 minute and 1 minute time frame. Mhm. Last 30 seconds are more crucial than the first 30. It ain't going down, or it will hit. Hmm. Now that's interesting. It opened below the 20 EMA. Now this is interesting. Now this is the last 2 minute, last 40 seconds of I took myself. Why should I went for well, it's okay. That's a list too big to go for. I took the scoot from this area, and where it will go. If we say to new high, if it makes new high, so 900 is possible. But this red candle is off. It's making me insecure getting into this trade. Well, let's see where it will take us. Mm, it take us to. Mm, they got her, and it went to hunt my SL. Oh, that's nice. It almost went to take my target, but eventually it didn't. No, okay. So now I'm done for today's trading, and if anybody is watching, what's what targets should be they looking in US oil? What I think is if it doesn't break this low, and this are actually a 12, so I'll go down from here. No upside trade. If you want to scalp, you can do a quick scalping. Okay, not wait for a much longer period of time. Just trade and exit, enter and exit from the trade. And about the gold, eventually I think it will go upside, but it's just testing us. Wait for clearing at least 342. Same thing in gold as well. If you are, go for a scan and then quickly enter, and as quick as you enters, exit. No wait. If you goes against the trend, always, exit it as fast as possible. Do not hold for much period of time when you are going against the trend. And in Bitcoin, I can see it going down from here. It will maybe go pretty low from here. What do I mean by pretty low is 14, 1,14,000 is a new target at least. That will take support from here. So these are the all things. If you think that Bitcoin or Ethereum, these coins will go in sideways movement, and you are not getting any trades in long or short positions, you're not getting anything, you can just simply sell the options. Option selling is also a way where we can on the money, easy peasy. Yesterday I was talking about this. It was here at that time when I was talking. It went to 1800 and then falls suddenly. It fall up to 1,000 points. It gave 1,000 points in just overnight. Even I leave it now, you can exit it from here. No worries. What I am just saying is that only future is not the option that we can trade on. If we think that it isn't going anywhere, it will go sideways, then we have other options too. Oh, we can do option selling also. It is a little bit less riskier than going directly into the futures, that then going directly into the Bitcoin and trading the stuff. If you think you can do that also, gold way, gold, I don't think you should trade gold right now, because trend is friend. So whenever you find any trend or in a 1 minute or in 5 minutes, wait for pullback and then go into it. If you see a trade, but the SL is very, the SL is very high, you shouldn't go into that trade. Or what can you do if you eagerly want to get into that trade? You can decrease your position size and then get into the trade, so that if it your essence, if, if it at that time if it hits your SL, then your loss will not be that big. Hmm. You will not lose some big money. If it hits the target, then what will maybe then definitely you will not get that as much money you are getting with your full position lot. But what will you get? You will get confidence in your trading strategy, and that's the thing. The confidence is one of the thing that you want while trading. So just no, don't trade for long hours. Especially don't trade after after continuously trading for 2.5 or 2 hours. Stop trading, take a break, and go for walk or do anything else. But trading continuously for long hours, it impacts your psychology. It impacts your decision taking. It impacts your decision taking power. No? So it will weigh your decision making. So what is beneficial is just take a break, uh, make make discipline and live it to live up to it. Make schedules that you will trade in this time frame and to this time frame. Make schedule that flexible. If you done with the trades, done with your day earlier, you should exit from the trade and you should shut it all down and you go for your another task other than you definitely other than trading. What I have learned is trading isn't just a business that will give you that will make you rich overnight. You have to grind, you have to work hard, you have to put the hard work in it. If you doesn't, then it will not. It is the hardest way to make easy money, make an easy money. Okay, you have to wait for the good trades. If you wait, it will come into your hand. Never think that I lose the opportunity. I lose that opportunity, so I should go right now. No, never do that. It will it will do no good to you. Never, and never gamble in it. Always before taking a trade, always fix your SL, always fix your target. Like in US oil, if I take the trade and what should be my potential target? My potential target should be you can scalp it in quickly, but if you wanna take it a little bit longer, then you can go to 61.868 to this point, or if you wanna go further bit more longer, if you see the price action going downwards and clearly downwards with a huge chunk of volume, then you can wait more longer to 1.7. Now that's the last. You don't have to hold beyond it anymore. Just and that will give you enough profits. It will give you enough profit. You just have to maintain your calm and be patient while trading. Like this, in this you can have a long opportunity having a small SL. Okay, that's all for today. If anybody wanna start trading or wanna practice like me, you can join it on Xness. And if you wanna do option selling, you can do it on Delta Exchange. And I work charts on TradingView. It's completely free. If you wanna take premium, you can take. But for just viewing chart, I use TradingView. For me, it's good for viewing charts. And for trading in forex currencies, some little bit instruments of US market too. Gold, Exness is best. And for option selling, if you wanna trade meme coins or sell options, you can do that in Delta Exchange. That's the thing. That's all from my side. Okay, I'm just now finishing my hello. I'm just shutting down, signing it off. We're gonna practice with me a little bit more. I'll come in the evening. We'll get together at that time. We'll get together. We'll practice together. We'll grind together, and we'll grow together. And that's the pre. With when grinding, you don't have to think about you don't have to think about future or past. You just have to improve your psychology, improve your trading strategies, and learn from the losses. Losses are for learning. And if you do losses and practice in demo trading, then we won't be doing the same mistake with our real money. What my point is, if we trade as much as we can in practice in demo account, our our trading strategy, our trading psychology will be same as will be the same if when we are trading in real account with real money. It just about practice. We have to give, we have to put some time, we have to put some efforts while doing this. This is not a big job. This is not, and this is also done by us people like us. Not they are not from any other universe. They are people like us. What they have done, that they have learned from their losses. They're sticking to their strategies, not going anywhere, going everywhere and listening to everybody and disturbing their strategies. They are taking one strategy at a time and practicing it. If you practice it, you can achieve it. Bitcoin is going downwards as we discussed. And about gold, uh, for a long period of time, I see it as moving for long instead of short. As MACD is above, in MACD the blue line is above the yellow line over the line, but in short period of time it can go anywhere. And about our US oil, definitely I'll be looking to go short on this. Definitely short on this. But always remember, have a good SL, good target. Don't cut your profits and just stay on your losses. Do it vice versa. Cut your losses and stay on your profits and try to make them as huge as possible. Okay, that's all for today. I'll see you in the evening. If you want to start trading, you can just click on the links I've given in the live chat, uh, and the links are in the description too. If you wanna just start trading, just click on the links and start trading now. Thank you for watching. We'll